The inclusive summer camp by Tactopus brings to you Super Seller.
You'll need paper, color pen, pair of scissors, 2 to 3 types of fruits, 2 to 3 types of vegetables, and a shopping bag. Role-playing and pretend play helps kids pick up social skills easily and quickly within the comfort of their homes. It prepares them for real-life encounters they will have to manage independently. Today we'll be supermarket sellers, but the same game can be played with hotels, toy stores, libraries, and the likes. So let's get started. Take an A4 size paper or cardboard. Cut it into an even number of rectangular pieces. Make sure they are all of the same size. Draw or stick images of different vegetables and fruits on the cards and name them. Your playing cards are now ready. Take another A4 size paper and cut it into smaller rectangular pieces. Now write different rupee amounts on each card. Your game money is now ready for trade. Select a space in the house to set up your shop and name it. Spread out all the cards on the surface and sort them into fruits and vegetable sections. Similarly, lay out all the real vegetables and fruits. Your shop is now ready for business. Let the child be the seller who is in charge of all the fruits and vegetables and has the money with the smaller denominations. You will be the buyer with all the big money notes. It's now shopping time. Ask for fruits and vegetables by name, or give your child a clue about the fruits or vegetables you want. You can use who am I questions.
I want juicy fruit vegetable which is red in color.
Let your child answer by showing you a flashcard or pointing to the vegetable. If correct, let them know so. If wrong, add another clue.
Do you want tomatoes?
Yes, I want tomatoes.
With the help of your child, pack your chosen vegetables in the shopping bag. Pay the appropriate money to the child and let them count it. As an extra step for older children, include the calculating and returning of change. You can even include an element of bargaining for fun. Acknowledge each other with gratitude for the exchange.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming.
Bravo, you are now a super seller.
Take a video or a selfie and tag us. Follow, like, comment, and share.